being so annoying. So this is my study with me. This actually took probably like 30 hours. Honestly, maybe even more than 30. It was done over the course of like a couple weeks. I probably did not film me doing everything. This is me doing math homework and me writing some essays and me doing some Spanish homework and some theater homework and some homework for other classes too. I have a lot of classes. Homework is really stressful and I really don't enjoy doing homework. It's actually something that is very annoying, and sometimes it's not even hard, it's just the stress of doing it. Sometimes I'm lazy. Sometimes I just don't know anything and I just feel like I don't have any brain cells and that I'm not smart enough to do school and that there's literally no point in educating me. But I took my Spanish homework 6 times because it was unlimited attempts and I kept getting bad scores. So it took me 6 tries to get a good one. This is me doing a theater assignment where I had to watch a movie and write a funny part, and I didn't think any of the parts of the movie was funny. So that was really hard. This was a very, very hard quiz rate. I had to record myself speaking Spanish, and I don't know how to even speak English. So that was pretty hard. For some reason it said 100, but like I know it's not actually 100. The teacher has to like listen to it, but she hasn't. That was probably just like an automatic thing. Oh yeah, one of my things said like 19 hours. I kept saving it and going back because I didn't know anything. But I definitely didn't spend like 19 hours. That was like part of it, me being in like a different tab and just sitting there for a while. That is the end of my study with me. If you like this, I'm not really sure why you would, but if you like this, I can do another one because there is still more homework. There will still be homework until I die. I feel like I will never get out of school and it will just keep going for the rest of my life. But if you like this, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Twitter and Instagram, add me on Snapchat because I had every single person back, and my goal of the year is at 30,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to help me get there. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye.